Hi everyone. So I am making this video. It's fairly new to me. I haven't really done a plant swap online, but that's what this is about. So I'm in my room that is typically housing tropical plants. So I decided that I wanted to get rid of a couple of plants because I wanted to make place I wanted to make a little bit of extra space for newer plants that I'd like to have come in. So what I did is I wanted to get rid of some plants, so I put them online as a swap for something else that I might be interested in, something that I don't necessarily have. So I'll go through what I got in place of what I traded for. So a lot of what I'm gonna look at, I'll let you know. So the first one here is coming from Cynthia. So I traded her a Alocasia Regal Shield, and it was a smaller size. So Alocasia Regal Shield, I had one back there. I don't know if you guys can see me. That gave me a ton of babies, so I just grew the babies and decided that because I love them so much, that I wanted to share them with other people, and because I had so many of them, it would be so good to be able to share them. So I figured what other way than to send them via a plant swap. So this one here, I'm going to take a look. It looks like the shipping is pretty good. So remember, I traded my Alocasia Regal Shield. It was about maybe a foot, maybe 11 to 12 inches tall. And then this is a Burgundy Ficus, which I'm actually surprised I'm doing fairly well with them. So I didn't mind actually trading off with this one because I feel like based off of the pictures alone that it was a decent size. So I'm grabbing it from the root ball. Here's the packaging, pulling out the plant very carefully. Oh, I have a snake right there and she's watching me open all of this, so that'll be fun. Okay, so first one, Burgundy Ficus. It is actually doing well. Let's take a look. Now, it's odd because I said I got rid of plants because I wanted to get space, but then I instead decided to swap them for other plants, so it kind of defeats the whole purpose. But either way, I am definitely excited. Look at this. Wow. Cynthia, thank you so much. I will definitely keep you updated on this one. So this is plant number 1. So Alocasia Regal Shield for a Burgundy Ficus. It's actually in great condition. So then I have another one. I traded with Jasper a Alocasia Poly. So the Poly had 2 different plants in. It is a smaller version of the Regal Shield. I mean, not the Regal Shield, the Amazonica. So we traded for a whale fin Sansevieria. So I love the size of this one. I mean, you can just tell by the size of my hand how big this is. So I'm definitely excited to have this one. And that one was also traded, as mentioned, for the Poly, which had 2 plants in it. It had a couple of new leaves coming up. So now the next one, and I'm trying to go through this fairly quickly so that you don't get bored. So the next one is from Jason. I gave him 2 cuttings of the Argyas. It's the Pothos, Silver Satin Pothos. And let me see. I believe this one is going to be the orchid. It's cuttings of orchid cactus. So let's see. I get so excited when I get new plants. It looks like they are actually in great condition. Yeah, it's actually more clippings than what I thought. Nice. So what I gave him were, as I mentioned, 2 6-inch cuttings of the Silver Satin Pothos in place of, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 cuttings of the orchid cactus. Perfect. So I'll be sure to root those up almost immediately. And I have one other one, which is from Alana. This one, I traded her another Alocasia Regal Shield. I'm excited because the mother plant that I have here, I have 2 main plants of where all the babies came from. So keep me updated. Let me know how everything went. I would definitely like to see how these babies are doing. I did receive a couple of updates, and they did mention that The cuttings look good. I've received pictures of other plants letting me know that they have arrived and are doing well. So this is Milana. Traded her an Alocasia Regal Shield. Hers was a little bit, I want to say maybe a little bit older than 6 months. So that one was about 10 inches tall. So this one is a variegated Hoya Hindu rope. So variegated Hindu rope. Oh, I'm so excited for this Hoya. Okay, so then I'm going to put this one down. I'm not necessarily sure if I did get anything else, but I do appreciate all of the packaging that everyone did. It kept everything pretty safe. So once again, this is some of the plants that I traded. There are others that are coming. I just couldn't wait any longer. So have a good day. I want to do another plant swap. Let me know if you'd like to partake. Thanks everyone that participated. Bye.